Hello students, again I welcome you in my YouTube channel फिजिक्स बाय ऑफिसर। हमने ग्रेविटेशन का कुछ पार्ट कंप्लीट कर लिया था। देन नाउ लास्ट पार्ट ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन इज योर एस्केप वेलोसिटी, एस्केप एनर्जी रिलेटेड टू सैटेलाइट एक्सेट्रा। सो इन दिस आवर फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज एस्केप वेलोसिटी। तो आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं एस्केप वेलोसिटी। So first of all, what we will discuss what is the escape. Escape, what is the meaning of the word escape? Escape means which is disappear from anywhere. So velocity, we all know velocity. So escape velocity is the minimum velocity required to escape any object from its gravitational fields. Suppose in a planet we throw a object with a speed, then it never comes back into their gravitational field, then it will be said to be escape. So it is the minimum velocity required to escape any object from its gravitational field. Now here in gravitation we are discussing mainly about the earth. So in case of earth, it is the minimum velocity required through which when a body is projected from the surface of earth, then it is never comes back in earth's gravitational fields. तो क्या होगा ये, जब अर्थ से किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम मिनिमम वेलोसिटी से, ऐसी वेलोसिटी से उसको प्रोजेक्ट करेंगे सो दैट कि वो अगेन नेवर कम्स बैक इनटू द अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड. सो दैट मिनिमम वेलोसिटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट और मटेरियल इज नोन एज योर एस्केप वेलोसिटी. Now for calculating the escape velocity, what we will use the energy conservation. So we are considering here a object on the surface of the earth. So at the surface of the earth, total energy of the planet means here we are taking earth. Now when we throw the object and it never comes back into the gravitational fields, then where it reached, it is assumed to be reached to the infinity. So total energy at the surface and total energy at the infinity should be equal. So total energy means kinetic energy plus potential energy. Here also kinetic energy plus potential energy, but we know at infinity there is no kinetic energy, no potential energy, but at the surface there will be kinetic energy as well as potential energy also. So kinetic energy we know half mv square. Here v is what, ve, e for escape, this is escape velocity, and potential energy as you all know minus of g mm upon r. Now when we simplify this, then we get the following results. Half mv square will be equals to g m to m is cancel. Then from this we get the value of ve. Ve means we escape root over of 2 gm upon r. This is the formula of escape velocity. Here 2 is constant, g is gravitational constant, capital M is mass of the earth, and capital R is the radius of the earth. This formula is in the form of gm upon r. Now this formula can be converted in your gravitational acceleration, because we all know gravitational acceleration is what, gm upon r square is equal to g. Then from here we can write gm is equal to gr square. So in place of gm here we can write gr square. When we write gr square, then r to r is cancel and formula becomes root over of 2gr. Now when we put the values in the formula, under root of 2 gm upon r, we will get the value of the your escape velocity 11.2 kilometer per second. Now escape velocity of a body from height as above the earth's surface. This formula we have find here, it is on the surface of the earth. Suppose we are moving at a small h height from the surface of the earth, then what will be the velocity, escape velocity at that point? So here 2 gm upon r, small r is equals to capital R plus h. Capital R is radius of the earth. So at small h height, your escape velocity will become root over of 2 gm upon r plus h. Now there are some points also related to escape velocity we have to remember. that escape velocity depends on mass, radius of the planet, because 2 gm upon r is the formula, so it depends on the mass and radius of the planet. But escape velocity does not depend on the mass of the body which is projected and the angle of projection. मीन्स आपने कोई भी बॉडी फेंक दिया, उसके मास पे आपका एस्केप वेलोसिटी डिपेंड नहीं करेगा. एस्केप वेलोसिटी इज डिपेंड ओनली ऑन द मास एंड रेडियस ऑफ द प्लेनेट. जिस प्लेनेट से आपने ऑब्जेक्ट को थ्रो किया है दैट प्लेनेट पे डिपेंड करेगा, नॉट ओनली द ऑब्जेक्ट पे डिपेंड नहीं करेगा. शायद इफ ऑब्जेक्ट इज सो हैवी और इट मे बी so light. Okay, now if v is greater than v, means the projection velocity is greater than the escape velocity. Velocity of projection is less than the escape velocity, then it will reach a certain height and may either move in a orbit around the planet or may fall back into the planet. Means velocity of the projection is less than the escape. Here less than होगा, मीन्स वेलोसिटी ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन कम होगा आपका किसका, एस्केप वेलोसिटी से. देन ये जो आपका ऑब्जेक्ट होगा एक सर्टेन हाइट तक रीच करेगा, उसके बाद या तो एक ऑर्बिट के अराउंड मूव करेगा, मूव इन अ ऑर्बिट अराउंड द प्लेनेट, और आइदर मे फॉल back to the planet. Here last point, when v escape velocity will be equals to root 2 of v naught. V naught means what? VO, sorry, it is VO, O for orbital velocity. Then where VO is the orbital velocity for a moving body near the earth surface. The body which is moving near to the earth surface, then their escape velocity will be equals to root 2 VO, O for orbital velocity. It means if the orbital speed of the satellite is increased by 41.4%. This point is very important. अगर हमने ऑर्बिटल स्पीड को कितना इंक्रीज कर दिया 41.4%, देन सैटेलाइट विल एस्केप द अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड्स. तो सैटेलाइट क्या करेगा, अर्थ की ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड से एस्केप कर जाएगा. नाउ हियर अनदर टॉपिक रिलेटेड टू योर escape velocity. Is it your escape energy? So likewise your escape velocity, the velocity is minimum there, so here also energy is minimum. भाई कितना मिनिमम वेलोसिटी से हमने ऑब्जेक्ट को प्रोजेक्ट किया था, सो कितना मिनिमम एनर्जी आपके ऑब्जेक्ट को अर्थ के ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड से एस्केप करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड होगा, दैट इज़ योर एस्केप एनर्जी. सिंपल. सो द मिनिमम एनर्जी गिवन टू अ बॉडी सो दैट इट कैन जस्ट एस्केप द अर्थ ग्रेविटेशनल फील्ड्स. मीन्स किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को हम मिनिमम इतना एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करें सो दैट it escape from the earth gravitational fields, then that energy is known as escape energy. And what will be the formula? It is nothing, it is the negative of potential energy on the earth surface, and potential energy we all know minus of gmm upon r. Here negative, so positive comes here. Escape energy, formula of escape energy will becomes g capital M small m upon r. Now escape energy is equals to what? Kinetic energy corresponding to the escape velocity from the energy conservation. Gmm upon r will be equals to half gmv square, because in the previous topic of your escape velocity we have discussed half mv square plus minus gmm upon r will be equals to 0. Then gmm upon r should be equals to half mv square. So this is about your escape energy and escape velocity. Now in next session we will discuss the satellite motion.